Good evening, gentlemen. Good evening, sir. We have assembled you guys here tonight because we have a very important mission coming. A mission? What kind of mission? This is the most very important mission in our nation's future. Okay, and what is so important about this mission that you are telling us? Well, guys, I'm glad you asked. Because we are sending you guys to space. But we're only going to send a few of you guys tonight to space. Tonight? But sir, we haven't had much training to do it right now. Gentlemen, you guys train enough. This is the real deal. Okay, sir. So, what kind of mission you have in mind? Okay, the mission is we're going to launch a few of you guys to space. And we're going to have you guys to go to the moon to build a moon base. We want you guys to construct a moon base right on the face of the moon. A moon base? Seriously? A moon base? That's impossible. There's no way in hell we'd be able to build a base on the face of the moon. That's not possible. What kind of mission is this, sir? The mission that will make history. But sir, no man has ever went to the moon to build a moon base before. You know how many years of construction that's going to take, sir? How many years of development? Yes, we are aware of the situation of the many years of developing the moon base right on the face of the moon. But sir, that's not possible. That's very impossible. There's no way we'd be able to build a base on the moon. It's never been done before. There's no way in hell we'd be able to do it. Even who improved this mission? This mission sounds like a screw up in my eyes. Who? Yeah, we all want to know who improved this mission. NASA. NASA? So you're telling me NASA supports this particular mission? A mission of an impossible. Nothing's impossible if you put your minds to it, gentlemen. But sir, this is a bunch of shit. This is never going to work. There's no way in hell that you'd be able to send men to space to construct a moon base on the face of the moon. That's not possible. Nothing's impossible, guys. I had talked to the Secretary of Defense, and I also talked to the chairman of NASA about it. But sir, who in the hell will want to go to the moon to build a moon base? The United States? The United States has been planning this mission for years. They've been planning on doing this for many, many years to build a base right on the moon. The United States has been planning it. They just never got the opportunity to pull it off yet. Until now, gentlemen, you are the lucky few who's in complete this mission. With your guys' military backgrounds and your background as astronauts, you will be able to achieve this mission. Yes, so, well, what about our military backgrounds? Well, guys, it takes men like you who has a military background to complete such a mission. And also, with your astronaut background, nothing's impossible with the astronaut's background. You guys are the best of the best. NASA wanted us to choose, or should I say, wanted me to choose the best of the best to achieve this mission. That's why then you guys came along. That's what came in my mind is you gentlemen, because all of you guys have a military background and astronaut background, and it's a very good achievement. This is going to be one of the best missions in ever has been accomplished. The greatest mission that's ever been accomplished since the history of the United States. You guys, we want to get ready for the future. And this is the future event that's going to make history. But sir, there's no way we'd be able to construct a moon base on the moon. It won't work. It's impossible. Nothing's impossible, guys. If you put your minds to it, you'll be able to achieve anything. Okay, sir, but is the space shuttle ready? A space shuttle? I'll take a look. Yes, I took a look. The space shuttle is ready to launch. But sir, I just want to ask you one question. And what's that? How in the hell you can get all of us astronauts into space? We don't have enough space shuttles to do it, sir. What do you mean we don't have enough space shuttles? We have plenty of space shuttles to launch you guys. Probably launching around 8 or 9 you guys up at a time. Yeah, right. A space shuttle could only carry around 5 or 6 people. No, you could carry around 8 or 9 people on a space shuttle. Yeah, that's impossible. And besides, sir, we don't have enough space shuttles to haul all of us into space. To go to the moon to build a moon base. You don't believe me? Look. We got all the space shuttles we could possibly need for this mission. Sir, you're asking us to do a mission that's impossible. There's no way that a moon base will be built on the face of the moon. And why not? Because, sir, it's not possible. And besides, why does the United States want a base on the moon anyway? Actually, NASA actually improved and they think it was a good idea. But sir, you're asking a bunch of astronauts to lay down their lives and put themselves in danger of losing oxygen just to build a damn moon base, sir. Has NASA improved this mission? Yes, NASA has improved this mission. Okay, sir. What about the United States? Yes, I talked to the Department of Defense, and I talked to the Air Force, and I talked to the chairman of NASA about it. Okay, sir. And why do we need a moon base anyway on the moon? So you guys could do experiments on the moon. So we could do experiments on the moon. Why do we need to do experiments on the moon? What kind of experiments are you talking about, sir? Very important experiments, like studying the minerals of the moon and also collecting moon rocks. Moon rocks? All this over a stupid moon rocks? So technically you want us to have a moon base, or more likely a moon lab, to do experiments in. Yes, that's exactly what we want. A moon lab, also known as a moon base. But sir, the shovels will never make it on the moon. That has never been achieved before. No one has ever landed a space shuttle on the moon yet. And it's not possible neither, sir. Nothing's impossible, guys. Anything's possible if we put our minds to it. So, which one of you guys are going to volunteer? Who's going to volunteer to go up? The first crew that's going to volunteer to go to space to get ready for the moon base construction. I don't know, sir. We will have to talk about it, think about it, then we'll let you know. Okay, guys, let me know as soon as possible because we need you. We need like a crew up there tonight. Okay, boss. But with no way in hell we'd be able to launch a full crew into space in one night. Not gonna fly. It's gonna happen tonight, and there's gonna be some going on tomorrow. Yeah, right, boss. That's not possible. Yes, it is possible. Okay, we'll take your word for it, sir. And we'll make up our decision who's gonna be the first crew to go up. Okay.